Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a unique and stylish keyboard to review, the Owpkeenthy Typewriter Green Matcha Cute Keyboard with floating round keys. Let's dive right in. The Owpkeenthy Typewriter Green Matcha Cute Keyboard is a full-size wired retro keyboard that comes in a vibrant matcha green color. It's designed to catch your attention and add a pop of color to your workspace. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its floating round keys design. These keys are not only visually appealing but also offer a soft and quiet typing experience reminiscent of classic typewriters. The keyboard is equipped with LED indicators for keypad lock, caps lock, and power, which can enhance your productivity and convenience while working. It's a plug-and-play device, so there's no need to install any additional software or deal with battery changes. Simply connect it to your laptop, PC, or tablet via USB-A, and you're good to go. This keyboard is compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows 7, 8, 10, XP, Vista, and Mac OS. However, it's important to note that it may not be fully compatible with the Apple system. The Owpkeenthy keyboard also offers easy maintenance. All the keycaps are detachable and can be cleaned, making it convenient to keep your keyboard looking fresh. Inside the box, you'll find the keyboard itself and a USB cable for connectivity. It's a simple and straightforward setup. Looking at customer reviews, the Owpkeenthy Typewriter Green Matcha Cute Keyboard has received positive feedback. Customers have praised its unique design, comfortable typing experience, and the fact that it's easy to clean. Some users have also mentioned that this keyboard helped reduce typing errors due to its rounded key design. The Owpkeenthy Typewriter Green Matcha Cute Keyboard is priced at $26.99, making it an affordable and stylish choice for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard. In conclusion, the Owpkeenthy Typewriter Green Matcha Cute Keyboard is a delightful addition to your workspace. It combines aesthetics, comfort, and functionality in one affordable package. If you're in the market for a keyboard that not only looks great but also performs well, this could be the one for you. That's it for today's product critique review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next review.